Hello everyone. Now many children were asking me to give me some trick to how to write tables of any two-digit number, right? So it's quite a tough job. Like if I say write the table of 41 in one go, or write the table of 25 in one go, so it will be difficult. You have to calculate a lot. And if you can write a table of any two-digit number quickly, it will make your division learning easy. And this video is definitely for the children. Adults can definitely calculate from calculator, no doubt. So here I am going to tell you how to write table of any two-digit number. So let's suppose the number is 23. Now I have to make a table of 23. So I will write 23 here, separated by a line. Okay, so we have to write the table of 2, which you already know. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, and so on. And what will be the table of 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, and 3 sixes are 18, and so on. And now we will make the final table of 23 very easily. So 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69, 23 fours are 8 plus 1 9, 92. So we have to add inner numbers, right? So 23 into 5 will be 115. Again we will add inner numbers here. So 23 into 6 will be 138, and so on. So how easily you have made the table of 23. So let's suppose I take another digit 42. Okay, so how to make table of 42? Very easily. 42, you just divide the number into two parts and write the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and so on. Let's write the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, and 2 fives are 10. Now the final table will be 42 ones are 42, 42 twos are 84, 42 threes are 126, 42 fours are 168, and 42 fives are will be, the inner numbers will be added. So it will be 210. So you can cross check as well from your calculator. And this trick will be very helpful when you are learning to divide by any two-digit number. Alright, so please practice this trick. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.